for axe, chopping the ground. Let's all cheer. F for arrow, straight and clear. F for astronaut, floating high. F for angel, up in the sky. B is for ball, rolling so fast. B is for bee, buzzing right past. B is for boat, sailing the sea. B is for banana, tasty for me. B, 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 let's all sing. B for butterfly, flapping its wing. B for bell, ringing so bright. B for balloon, floating so light. B is for bear, cuddly and sweet. B is for bus, zooming down the street. B is for basket, holding a treat. B is for book, where stories meet. B, 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 let's all sing. B for butterfly, flapping its wing. B for bell, ringing so bright. B for balloon, floating so light. C is for cat, soft and sweet. C is for car, zooming down the street. C is for cake, yummy to eat. C is for cow, with the moo so neat. C, 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 let's all cheer. C for camera, clicking near. C for clock, ticking away. C for candle lighting the way. C is for crab, snapping its claws. C is for cup, held in paws. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. C is for castle, standing in sight. C, 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 let's all cheer. C for camera, clicking near. C for clock, ticking away. C for candle lighting the way. D is for dog, wagging its tail. D is for drum, with a rhythm to hail. D is for duck, swimming with grace. D is for deer, in a foresty place. D, 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 let's all cheer. D for dragonfly, flying near. D for donuts, yummy and round. D is a letter that feels just right. D is for den, where animals stay. D is for dolphin, splashing away. D is for dinosaur, big and strong. D is for donkey, braying along. D, 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 so much to see. D is for all that starts with D. From drums to dolphins, fun and bright. D is a letter that feels just right. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for eagle, soaring along. E is for engine, powering the train. E is for earth, where we all remain. E, 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 let's all cheer. E white. E is for eel, swimming so sleek. E is for eggplant, a veggie to eat. E is for earthworm, wriggling in the ground. E is for envelope, with letters found. Final E, E, come sing with me. So many E words for us to see. From engine to earth, what a delight. Learning with E feels just right. F is for fox, with fur so bright. F is for fairy, flying through light. F is for fish, swimming in the stream. F is for frog, jumping in a dream. F, 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 let's all cheer. F for flowers blooming near. F for fire truck, rushing in red. F for fan spinning over your head. F is for flute, with music so sweet. F is for forest, a shady retreat. F is for fig, soft and round. F is for fairy, where magic is found. F, 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 come sing with me. So many F words for us to see. From fox to flute, what a sight. Learning with F feels just right. G is for goat on a grassy track. G is for guitar in a musical pack. G is for girl with laughter so wide. G is for giraffe, taking a stride. G, 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 let's all cheer. G for grapes and guavas near. G for gun, a toy so light. G for goose, taking flight. G is for ginger, spicy and warm. G is for garlic, fresh from the farm. G is for grasshopper, hopping with glee. G is for garden, with flowers and tree. G, 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 come sing with me. So many G words for us to see. From goat to guitar, shining bright. Learning with G feels just right. H is for hippo, thin and round. H is for helicopter, flying with sound. H is for horse, galloping fast. H is for hen, walking past. H, 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 let's all cheer. H for house, cozy and near. H for humming, sticky and sweet. H for hat, a treat to meet. H is for heart, full of love. H is for hut, with smoke above. H is for hospital, clean and bright. H is for hourglass, ticking light. H, H, come sing with me. So many H words for us to see. From hippo to hat, what a delight. Learning with H feels just right. I is for iguana, green and sly. I is for infant, giggling white. I is for igloo made of snow. I is for iron with a warm glow. I, let's all cheer. I for ice cream, cold and near. I for insect, tiny and quick. I for island where palm trees stick. I is for injection,